Want to keep your viewing habits private on Xfinity Stream? The Xfinity Stream app lets you access live TV, on-demand content, and personalized recommendations. Your watch history tracks the shows and movies you've viewed, which the app uses to suggest content. Clearing your watch history is the key to maintaining privacy and preventing unwanted recommendations. This video provides a step-by-step guide to easily manage your watch history on the Xfinity Stream app, ensuring your viewing data stays under your control. First, open the Xfinity Stream app on your device, such as a phone, tablet, or smart TV. Log in using your Xfinity ID and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select Account or Settings. This is your gateway to managing your privacy options. Within the Account or Settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy, Privacy Dashboard, Viewing History, or Watch History. As of mid-2025, Xfinity has introduced a dedicated privacy dashboard for easier management. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version v7.2.1 or later via your device's app store. This section centralizes your data privacy options. Once you've navigated to the Viewing History or Watch History section in the Xfinity Stream app, you'll see options to manage your history. Typically, you'll find a Clear All History button for removing everything at once, or a list of individual titles you can select and remove one by one. To clear all history, tap the Clear All History option. A confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you want to proceed with this action. Select Confirm to proceed. This action will clear your watch history and may take up to 24 hours to fully sync across all your devices. Remember, clearing your watch history will reset personalized recommendations across all devices linked to your Xfinity account, as the app uses this data to suggest content. After clearing your history, check your profile to confirm that the changes have taken effect. It might take up to 24 hours for the changes to sync across all devices. If your history reappears or doesn't clear, try restarting the Xfinity Stream app. If the issue persists, you can contact Xfinity support through the in-app chat for further assistance. Clearing your watch history improves your privacy by removing your viewing data from the Xfinity Stream app. However, it may also impact the relevance of content recommendations. The app uses your viewing data to suggest shows and movies you might like. By clearing this data, the app will rely less on your past preferences and more on general popularity. Xfinity retains watch history data for up to 12 months unless you manually delete it. For enhanced security, always use a strong, unique password for your Xfinity account and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents unauthorized access and protects your viewing data. Regularly reviewing your privacy settings is a good practice. Privacy features in streaming apps are constantly evolving. Expect to see more AI-driven tools that automatically suggest clearing history based on your viewing patterns. These AI tools can analyze your viewing habits and recommend when to clear sensitive content, helping protect your privacy without manual effort. Future updates may also include more granular controls, such as per-device history clearing. This allows you to manage data on specific devices without affecting others. Staying informed about these trends will help you maintain control over your streaming data. Check app updates and privacy resources regularly to take advantage of new features. In summary, streaming privacy is advancing with AI and granular controls. Stay informed to keep your data secure.